Hi, Sam.
Hi, Lucy. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you too. How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good, thank you. I'm here to practice English.
Great. I want to practice English too.
Perfect. Let's talk about daily life.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Do you come to this coffee shop often?
Yes, I come here many times. I like the coffee.
Me too. The coffee is good and the place is quiet.
That's true. A quiet place is good for listening and speaking practice.
Yes, I agree. Are you going to order something?
Yes, I will order a latte. How about you?
I want an iced tea today.
Good choice.
Do you want to order together?
Yes, let's go.
Hello, what can I get for you?
One latte, please.
One iced tea for me, please.
Sure. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your drinks will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Ordering in English feels easy now.
Yes, because the sentences are simple
True, simple English is good for beginners.
and good for real life too.
So, Lucy, what do you do every morning?
I wake up at 6 a.m., then I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Early.
Yes, I like early mornings. After that, I eat breakfast.
What do you eat for breakfast?
Usually bread and eggs, sometimes fruit.
Healthy. I wake up at 7 a.m., a little later than you.
And what do you do after waking up?
I take a shower, eat cereal, then go to work.
Sounds simple and nice.
Yes. What about you? Do you go to work or study?
I study English online.
That's great. How long have you studied English?
For 1 year.
Wow, your English is very good.
Thank you, but I still need practice.
We all need practice. What about you? Do you study any language?
Yes, I study English and a little Japanese.
Cool. Why Japanese?
I like Japanese culture and anime.
Nice. I like anime too. What do you do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. And you?
I like romantic movies and comedies.
Comedies are fun.
Yes, I like to laugh.
Do you like sports?
A little. I like walking or light exercise.
Same here. I like riding my bike.
I want to practice listening. Can you say a simple sentence?
Sure. I like to drink coffee in the morning.
I like to drink coffee in the morning.
Good.
Now, you repeat after me. I study English every day.
I study English every day.
Good job.
This method is good. Listen and speak.
Yes, it helps beginners.
What will you do this evening?
I will cook dinner and watch a movie.
Nice. What movie?
Maybe a comedy.
Sounds fun.
What about you?
I will meet a friend and have dinner outside.
Nice. Enjoy.
Thank you.
Today we practiced a lot.
Yes, speaking and listening together is helpful.
I agree.
Let's practice again tomorrow.
Sure, let's do it.
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. Ready for more English practice?
Yes, I'm ready.
Me too. Let's talk about more real-life topics.
Good idea.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Yes, very warm. I like sunny weather.
Me too. Sunny weather makes me happy.
Same here. What weather do you not like?
I don't like rainy days
Why?
because I can't go outside easily.
True. Rainy weather makes me sleepy.
Have a same for me.
Lucy, What food do you like?
I like pasta, salad, and chicken.
Good choices. I like pizza and noodles.
Noodles are great.
Yes, I eat noodles many times a week.
What drink do you like?
I like tea and lemon juice.
I like tea too, especially green tea.
Healthy drink.
Do you go shopping often?
Sometimes. I go when I need something.
Same.
What things do you usually buy?
Clothes, books, and snacks.
I buy clothes and electronics.
Electronics are expensive.
Yes, but I buy them once in a long time.
Do you like online shopping?
Yes, it's easy. And you?
Yes, I like it too.
Online shopping is simple. Click, pay, wait.
True. Very convenient. Can you help me practice English for directions?
Sure. Ask me something.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is next to the park.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now you ask me.
Okay. Excuse me, where is the supermarket?
It is across the street.
Across the street. Got it.
Good practice. Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I like drawing and listening to music.
Nice. What kind of music do you like?
Pop music.
Me too.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like cooking and playing games.
What do you cook?
Simple food. Eggs, rice, noodles.
Easy food.
Yes, beginner cooking.
Do you like to travel, Sam?
Yes, I do.
Where do you want to travel?
I want to go to Japan one day.
Nice choice.
And you?
I want to visit Korea.
Cool. What do you want to do there?
Eat food, shop, and see famous places.
Sounds fun. What are your plans for this weekend? What are your plans for this weekend?
I will clean my house, study English, and relax.
Good plan. What about you? I will go to the park and meet my cousin.
Nice. Sam, do you want to practice more listening?
Yes, let's do short sentences again.
Okay. I like to learn English every day.
I like to learn English every day.
Good. Now your turn.
I want to speak English well.
I want to speak English well.
Great.
Today was a good practice day.
Yes, we talked about many topics.
Real-life conversations help a lot.
Yes, simple sentences are good for beginners.
Let's meet again tomorrow.
Sure. See you tomorrow.
Hi, Sam.
Hi, Lucy. Nice to see you again.
Nice to see you too. Today is a great day to practice English outside.
Yes, the weather is good. Not too hot, not too cold.
Perfect for sitting in the park.
And perfect for listening and speaking practice.
I hear birds singing.
Yes, it's relaxing.
Let's talk about nature.
Sure. Nature is easy to talk about.
I like trees. They make me feel calm.
I like trees too. I also like lakes and rivers.
Water sounds are peaceful.
Yes, very peaceful.
Sam, do you have any goals for learning English?
Yes, my goal is to speak English more naturally.
Good goal.
And you?
My goal is to listen better.
Listening is important.
Yes, when I listen well, speaking becomes easier.
That's true. Listening and speaking go together.
How do you practice English at home?
I watch videos and repeat sentences.
Good method.
And you?
I listen to simple English stories.
Nice. Stories help with vocabulary.
Yes, and they help with pronunciation too.
Do you want to practice English again this weekend?
Yes, I want to.
Saturday morning?
Sounds good.
Where do you want to meet?
Maybe the coffee shop again?
Yes, that's a good place. Quiet and comfortable.
I agree.
What time?
9 a.m.?
Perfect.
I can bring my notebook.
I can bring my laptop.
Great. We can practice listening exercises.
Yes, and speaking too.
Can we practice polite English?
Sure, let's do it.
How do you ask for help politely?
I say, "Excuse me, can you help me, please?"
Good.
And how do you ask for information?
I say, could you tell me where something is?
Nice.
Let's practice. Ask me something.
Okay. Excuse me, could you tell me where the library is?
The library is near the main road.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now my turn.
Excuse me, can you help me, please?
Sure. What do you need?
I need to find the supermarket.
It's behind the bus station.
Thank you so much.
Happy to help.
Today we practiced many things.
Yes, we practiced nature, goals, plans, and polite English.
I feel more confident.
Me too.
See you on Saturday.
See you. Have a nice day.
You too.